everybody, this is Hubert from Traveling with Hubert. Recently, Kathy and I went to Stewart County, Lumpkin, Georgia. We did a driving tour, and we also did a walk around the courthouse square. And in this video, you'll see what we saw when we walked around the courthouse square. There's something very, very interesting. They had made a book walk, and you'll see that in the video. We didn't start at the beginning of the book, but if you follow us all the way around the courthouse, you'll know exactly what the book's about. If you've subscribed to the channel already, we give you a big thank you. If you haven't, we would invite you to subscribe. We post on Sunday mornings, and we hope you like them. And if you do, we ask you to give us a thumbs up. YouTube likes to see that. If there's some things that we didn't know about Lumpkin, leave that information down in the comment section below the video description. Share this video with other people that might like to view it, like to see it. And Kathy and I wish you have a very, very blessed day. Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm going to walk right across to get this historical marker, honey. Okay. No, I've already been. I'm going to film them from on this side of the street, honey, but I wanted to get the historical marker.
You gonna lock the door?
Yes, I am.
That's the trash can up
You're going to get it? Alright. City Hall, Lumpkin, Georgia, established 1830. Yes.
They like some of those people in the videos with short screen and hearing all
Yeah.
acting like a fool. Oh, you're recording.
Yeah. Just a little sign there I got in the video, huh?
Is this a story to be told and all that?
Yeah, it looks like some kind of children's story, huh?
Yeah.
page 6. Oh, this one's kind of messy. It's page 7. Carter Butts Memorial Trail. A gas station across the road over there. Lumpkin Library.
You think it's a real library?
It probably was at one time. I don't think it's open now, honey. This is page 8. But nobody else is.
And that says the library, that says Christian Dream Sales.
Yeah.
That's a drugstore museum.
Yes,
Is it really?
I guess so, huh? It says, thank you for visiting the book walk. If you'd like to receive a free book, or head over to Farm Bureau or scan the QR code with your phone below.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Christian
that says
gun, yeah.
Fast tax.
And Mackenzie's Fast Tax, yes. Dr. Hatchett's Drugstore. Farm Bureau's across there. Through federal funding, secured by Congressman Sanford Bishop.
Do you hear people talking?
Yeah. Hello? Okay. All right, thank you. All right, bye-bye. Still under lockdown.
We are?
Yeah, but we not there, honey.
I'm talking about what the other one said it was okay.
Yeah, she did. I guess they changed.
Well, where is the talking coming from?
Don't know, honey. None of those look like they got anything going on, even though. Yeah, I hadn't, but I should be. I've been focused on these book signs. Watch the sidewalk, it's uneven in places. It just says Bedingfield Inn, Dr. B. Bedingfield, proprietor. I think I've seen something about that in another channel.
Is it like open?
I don't know. If you want to walk over there, we can. Yeah. Yeah, look. Hang on to that for a second.
Seemed like I've seen something somewhere about something like this. Where was it at that we saw?
It was on a channel somewhere, honey. Let me walk over there and see.
See what it said.
Yeah.
Got admission rates there.
Yeah, I see that. Yeah, it says welcome to the Bedingfield Inn and the Stewart Historical Society.
Oh, okay. You just go in and look at it.
Yeah. Now I gotta walk down these steep steps. Oh, it ain't good for us old folks. Cotton Street, honey.
There's a Cotton Street everywhere you go, isn't
I think so.
There's another little greenhouse there.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any of these stores open along in here.
I don't think so. Yeah, they're all look like they're seeing more prosperous times. Yeah. There's sign number 1. Follow the signs around the Lumpkin Square to read A Mouse Named Hook by Amy Black Harris. There's that. It's an imposing building, honey. Alright, honey, let's go back to the truck and do a ride around.
I don't think there's anything open outside the store.
No. There was once a mouse named Hook. He lived in Nana's Nook.
That's probably a cute little book.
It is. Yeah, these towns all around, some of them just aren't thriving like they used to. It was an antique store with a hardwood floor, and he lived in on a shelf inside a book.
That says let's walk 1 mile, 5 laps around the courthouse.
Yeah, if we were here and needed to get our mile walk in, honey, we 20% of the way done.